In today's video, I'm going to teach you TradingView, how to check and change account leverage. We'll walk through where to find your leverage setting in TradingView's paper trading and how to change it safely. This is perfect if you're practicing strategies and want to see how different leverage levels affect your risk and position sizing without touching real funds. Start by opening the TradingView website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Click on the Products menu to open the list of available tools and features. From that menu, choose Paper Trading. This takes you to a chart along with the Paper Trading panel, which usually appears at the bottom of the screen. The Paper Trading interface simulates orders and performance so you can test ideas in a risk-free environment. With the Paper Trading panel open, look for the Settings icon. It may appear as a small gear or be accessible through a menu in the panel. Click that to open the paper trading settings. Inside this menu, you'll find a field labeled Leverage. This is where TradingView shows the leverage currently applied to your paper trading account. Leverage controls how much market exposure you have relative to your account balance. For example, higher leverage lets you control larger positions with the same equity, but it also amplifies both gains and losses. In practice, using more leverage means your account's equity will fluctuate more quickly with price changes. If you want to change it, adjust the leverage value right there in the settings. Depending on your interface, you can type a new number or use the provided controls to increase or decrease it. Think about your strategy's risk tolerance when choosing a value. If you're just getting started, consider keeping it modest while you learn how leverage affects margin, position size, and drawdowns in a simulated environment. When you're satisfied with the new value, click Save. Saving applies the updated leverage to your paper trading account so your next simulated orders and positions reflect that setting. If you don't see the changes right away, double check that you're still in the paper trading panel and that the settings window has closed. That's all there is to it. Go to TradingView, open products, choose paper trading, click the settings, view your current leverage, adjust it if needed, and save. Use this workflow to test how different leverage levels influence your approach before making any decisions in a live environment. Happy practicing and trade responsibly.